Hello, this video lesson will be over area of trapezoids. We are going to use the area of a parallelogram to find the area of a trapezoid. Notice that the trapezoid is half of the area of a parallelogram. It takes two trapezoids to make one parallelogram. Notice that the trapezoid is half of the area of a parallelogram. We know the formula for parallelogram is area equals base times height. With the trapezoid, you will need to combine both bases, top and bottom, in order to determine what is the base, and then multiply it times the height. Since you're finding half of the area of a parallelogram, then you would do something similar to what you did with triangles. You would find 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times the height, where base 1 and base 2 are the top and bottom bases. On our reference material, we use the formula area equals 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times the height. We can also use other formulas as well. For this figure, we know that our base 1 is going to be 2 and our base 2 is going to be 6 and our height is 3. When we fill in our formula, we know that we're going to divide it by 2, which is the same as finding 1/2. So we take 2 plus 6 times 3 divided by 2, which gives us 8 times 3 divided by 2, which gives us 24 divided by 2, which is 12 inches squared. All right, using this formula, find the area of this trapezoid. We know that we should add 4 plus 5, which are our two bases, and then multiply it times the height of 3. Then we're going to divide by 2. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27, and 27 divided by 2 is 13.5. Let's look at the example on your paper. You can use the formula base 1 plus base 2 times height divided by 2, or area equals 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times the height. We know that base 1 can represent the length of the bottom base, and base 2 can represent the length of the top base. The height is the h is the height of the triangle. Base 1 and base 2 are interchangeable. It really doesn't matter which one you say is base 1 and base 2 because you're adding them together. But in this case, base 1 will be our bottom base. Let's look at our work. Our formula is base 1 plus base 2 times the height divided by 2. We fill in that formula by putting 8 plus 5 times 3 divided by 2. 13 times 3 divided by 2 is the same as 39 divided by 2. That gives us 19.5 centimeters squared. Try number 2 from your worksheet on your own. Pause the video and tell us the answer. Make sure you show the 4 F's in order to show your work. Alrighty, we know that the figure is going to be a trapezoid. The facts of that figure is that we have the dimensions, base 1 is 6, base 2 is 8, and the height is 3. The formula for this is area equals 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times the height. We can fill in that formula by putting area is 1/2 6 plus 8 times 3. We know that 6 plus 8 is 14. Half of 14 is 7, and 7 times 3 is 21. So the area of this trapezoid is 21 feet squared. You will now work on your area worksheet and complete that and take a picture and upload it to Google Classroom. Have a great day.